Hi, my name is Matt. This is Atlas, a 2-year-old English lab. He's Mammoth Mountain's youngest avalanche dog. Atlas is 2 years old, and we were going to do a practice scenario this afternoon where I will be called to a mock avalanche. In this avalanche, there will be an unknown amount of victims buried. Some of them might be wearing avalanche transceivers, which is a digital device that allows me to search out people underneath the snow. But for those that are buried without a transceiver on is where Atlas is important, and he will crisscross the path with his nose to the ground, searching out human scent. When he catches it, he will show a loyalty to the victim that is buried, and he will dig to them. Hi, Matt. Mammoth Dog keep track with Atlas. What's going on here?
Arm hurt.
543 Atlas, cyber at scene. We have one arm in the bottom of the path. Ricardo's. The path looks to be approximately 50 by 100 meters. Safe entrance is going to be from the top.
I need to really get my...
Alright.
Can't feel my hand.
Nicole, can you address this injury for us? The scene appears safe. Did you witness this?
What?
This avalanche.
Avalanche? I just had to get to Candy Lodge.
Yeah?
Yeah, me and my buddies were just cutting across up there.
How many buddies?
Like two, I think.
Two of them?
Yeah.
Any of them wearing transceivers?
What's that? Yeah, they got cell phones on them.
Got cell phones? Anything
Yeah.
like this?
Is that the iPhone?
No, alright. See you safe. I want medics standing by at the bottom. Like additional patrollers down here, start setting up probe lines and closing off all access to the slope. Atlas, are you ready? Are you ready? Huh? You ready? Search! I'm gonna leave my backpack right here. This is gonna be the gear cache for any future patrollers coming in. To have a crash cart standing by.
So basically what he's doing is making sure that the dog gets a chance to cover the whole path. So he kind of started on this left side and then works his way up and then works his way down the right side. Making sure to cover the toe, because in a real scenario, a real avalanche, the most likely catchment area for any victim is going to be down at the toe where all the debris kind of piles up. For these scenarios, we end up using a lot of wool sweaters that people have worn for roughly 24 to 48 hours. This allows the sweaters to pick up human scent. And then we bury them and let them sit for 24 hours. Usually we bury them about 3 feet deep. And this generally simulates a live person that's been in the snow. Essentially when it's been buried for 24 hours, that scent slowly permeates up through the snowpack and essentially can basically simulate a 10-foot deep burial of a human. So one of the things that kind of signifies to us that he's on a potential live find, or in this case an article, is when the handler tends to ski away and the dog keeps working on his own.
What do you got, buddy? Attaboy! Attaboy, Atlas!
And essentially these trainings are just about fun. This is their toy, finding this article and playing with it.
Attaboy! Woo! Attaboy!
So you want to make it fun for the dogs.
All right, Atlas. All right, what do you got? Atlas, come on. Boy, ready? You ready? Let's search.
The idea with the deep ones is that we like to try and frustrate the dogs, try and get them to bark and tell you there's something in there. Not all the dogs bark. Atlas doesn't alert with the bark. He just digs and digs and digs and never gives up.
Boy! Boy! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! All right! Yeah! You did it! Good search, dog! Good search, dog! Yeah! Good search, dog! Our dogs are run under a non-profit. It's Eastside Canine. All the support we can get from our guests and other supporters is greatly appreciated. You can always stop in at our patrol office and purchase a t-shirt, drop off an old wool sweater, or just come in and say hi, thanks, and ask to pet the dog. He likes that also. We encourage everybody come out skiing, but we love when you guys ski with friends and buddies. Keep track of each other, take your time, be safe, and keep track of your friends. It's always good to have a meeting spot at the end of the day or at lunchtime, and always be safe out there.
Do you have anything you want to say?
Another thing that's also pretty important is those transceivers. If you're out skiing on storm days, getting a transceiver is a really good life-saving tool. Pretty much you'll be found first if you have a transceiver.